Hello everyone. I, Ms. Pratna Bormane, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering of ASSMS IIT, welcome you all in the session of machine learning. Today, I will explain you about the term of machine learning with respect to BE computer subject. As we all know, the machine learning is a growing and a recent field in IT or other recent branch. The why we are going to study about machine learning or why we need to know about machine learning because the machine learning is one of the top technology in today's world. We can define it as a core sub area of an artificial intelligence. We will see here some of the definitions and the applications areas of machine learning and why machine learning matters a lot. Okay, so if we define the machine learning, the first statement it says the machine learning is a field of study that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed, which is defined by the Arthur Samuel in around 1959. So from this statement, from this definition, we can say that the machine learning is not a newly defined term. It was previously present, but it is now growing too much. So as we have said, the machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, that is AI, which is focusing on building the application that learn from the data and improve their accuracy over time without being programmed to do so. Here you can see this diagram. Here it is showing it is a branch or sub area of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, and we also have a deep learning, which is again a sub part of a machine learning. Again, if you can elaborate on the machine learning. So machine learning is getting computers to program themselves. If we are if we can say programming is an automation, so machine learning is automating the process of automation. Machine learning, it allows the machines to learn and make predictions based on its experience. So here we are saying experience is nothing but a data. So consider an example. Nowadays all are doing the online shopping more, right? So whenever we search for any of the product on any of the sites, say we have Amazon, we have Flipkart, we have Myntra, these are different sites we have for online shopping. Whenever you search for any of the product, first time whenever we log in, whenever we sign up to that site, we search for some of the products, and after log out, after say on the same day next year, so after some days, whenever we log in to it second times, so at that time whatever we have searched previously, the results are available whenever we second time logged in. This is what is a machine learning is. Machine learning is an innovative approach that have extensive applications, they have the predictions, then they need to be applied. If we consider another example, for current situation, say in COVID-19 pandemic, we all know there was a lockdown and all. So, how this machine learning can be used in uh, the COVID-19 pandemic situations? How we can apply it? So, we can identify the patient who are at high risk. What is the death rate or any abnormalities in it? Again, it can be understood the nature of what type of virus is, and we can predict what are the upcoming issues. So, this is how the machine learning can be applied to any area or any domains we have. So, that's why it is important to learn about machine learning. So again, why machine learning and why it is more important? So if we can see the last quote, which is given by Bill Gates, a breakthrough in machine learning would be worth 10 Microsofts. So from this statements, we can identify the importance of machine learning in day-to-day life. Now, we'll see some of the applications areas I have listed out here. One is financial services, another we have healthcare, then we have in government, in retail, in transportation. More applications, if we can add in that, we have e-commerce, we have robotics, we have information extraction, social networking, we all use, then we can have web searching. So these are some of the applications of machine learning. So if we consider any one, just now I have covered about healthcare in COVID pandemic, how we can do prediction of the patients who are at high risk, what is the death rate, what are the uh, causes or what type of virus it is that what upcoming issues can be occurred. Such type of predictions can be done with the machine learning. This is one area we can say. If we take in another areas like robotics, so how to handle the uncertainty in the environment, that is a part. In that, if we can consider an example, if we take in that is self-driving cars, we all know. Okay, so this is what is the importance of a machine learning and the application areas of machine learning. In the next session, we will cover about the different approaches or algorithms of machine learning. Thank you.